Namaste. My name is Godavari. I am Secretary of the Sakhi Federation in Maharashtra, India, and a member of the Vairo Commission. Before women were organized, they never stepped out of their homes. After the 1993 Latur earthquake, Swayam Shikshan Prayog organized grassroots women into SHGs and supported them to come forward as leaders who participated in community development. The Marathwada region of Maharashtra is susceptible to recurring droughts due to climate change. Drought has severely affected the food, nutrition, and livelihood security of communities. To deal with this, grassroots women leaders developed and adopted the 1 acre organic farming model, in which they diversified into 25 varieties of food grains and vegetables in their farms and kitchen gardens. This is ensuring food and nutrition security for women, their families, and communities. In response to the COVID 19 crisis, women leaders organized a special Sakhi task force. The task force surveyed returning migrants who were particularly vulnerable to assess their situation with regard to food, safe water and sanitation, and basic health and hygiene in institutional quarantine, and we provided information and counseled those in distress. Migrant workers who returned from cities such as Pune and Mumbai had lost their jobs and didn't have enough food to eat. Women leaders worked with these migrants to understand their skills and then set out to match their skills with work opportunities. In Nilegaon village, the women's groups gave loans from their group savings to migrant workers to start small businesses such as photocopying shops and snack shops. Our women leaders worked in partnership with the local government to provide information to communities, particularly migrant workers, regarding government programs and entitlements, such as the National Rural Employment Guarantee Program, where people can be employed in farming and water conservation, pond desilting, and other works. Also, our women explained the procedures and facilitated access to free rations under the public distribution system for families in partnership with the local authorities. Our federation's women gave rupees 25 lakhs loans to their members for farming and other allied businesses which had local marketing opportunities. We partnered with the local government at village, block, and district levels to advocate and jointly plan to improve access to government programs for communities affected by the COVID crisis. Our message is that being organized, having a strong grassroots network, and our robust partnerships with the local government allowed us to deal with the COVID 19 crisis and help our communities and the migrant workers.
और भी एक रिकमेंडेशन है कि मेरा कि जो हमारे यहाँ जो माइग्रेंट लोग हैं तो उनके लिए
And my
गवर्नमेंट को भी
request to the government
करना चाहिए
is to come up with
जैसे
some measures and solutions,
क्या किसी को
including enterprise opportunities for
लाइक
the
जैसे
migrants.
जीआरपी
Thank
होना
you.
चाहिए